Removing a 2010-2020 Nissan Frontier tailgate is a straightforward DIY task. First, park your Frontier on level ground and gather your tools. A socket wrench set with 18mm or 19mm sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and lubricant. If your tailgate has power locks, disconnect the battery to prevent electrical issues. Open the tailgate and secure it with a prop rod. Disconnect the support cables attached to the hinges on both sides. If there are wiring harnesses for features like rear window defroster or power locks, disconnect those as well. Finally, unbolt the hinge pins or bolts. With a helper, carefully lift the tailgate off to avoid damage. These tailgates weigh between 30 to 50 pounds, so be careful. Inspect the hinges for wear, bushings for cracks, and the tailgate for dents or rust. Installing the replacement tailgate involves reversing the removal process. Align the hinges of the new tailgate with the truck bed and insert the bolts, torquing them to 35 to 40 feet-pounds. Reconnect the support cables and any electrical wiring, ensuring proper connections for features like power locks. Before completing the job, lubricate the hinges with white lithium grease to prevent wear and corrosion. Misalignment is a common issue that can cause leaks or uneven closing, so double-check alignment before fully tightening the bolts. Always use OEM bolts to prevent vibrations and ensure a secure fit. If you encounter electrical issues, consider consulting a professional. Preventative maintenance, like lubricating hinges regularly, can extend tailgate life by 5 to 10 years. Aftermarket fiberglass tailgates are a good choice for weight reduction and rust resistance.